One, two, three, one, two, three. Oh my gosh, finally, man. Dude, sometimes this thing takes forever to hook up and I just sit here trying and trying and trying. It's annoying. Oh, actually, this needs to go here. Okay, that took me a while, so I gotta take a look at these. Alright, Andres is here, HH is here, does Swan stream in the mornings? Yes, I do, Russ Vaughn. I guess you're not here, that was asked before. Good morning, Mercer, good morning, Andres. Good luck to all this week. I don't know if we're gonna be taking any trades this whole week, Andres? You're not gonna take any trades this whole week? Why is that? Alright, so Gapper number 1, OLB. That was yesterday's play. Gapper number 2, HIL. Does that look good? And then number 3, Drug again, dude. Drug has been our gapper for like 5 years. Drug, ASTR. And then BBBY is on there. And I saw John mentioning a couple different ones on the Discord. Let me check them out. Let's see if those are any good. OLB, B-Way. He said B-Way, B-Way. B-Way. And then he said PDD as well. Zach said PDD as well. There were. So let me see PDD. Okay. Oh, that's a pricey stock. And then Nerve. Still keep an eye on Nerve. Is Nerve the one that had a good rally Friday? Yeah, Friday. Okay. Oh wow, Nerve had a good rally Friday afternoon, power hour. Let me see this. Bernard, good morning, team. Back from vacation, ready to trade. Did anything major happen in the last 2 weeks? Last week, I think last week was probably one of the slowest we've seen. Yeah, that's exactly what Zach said. OLB looks decent. Gonna paper trade, bro. Regained confidence last week, destroyed my mind. OLB is the best setup in my opinion. Zach, sorry to hear. Hopefully you'll be better this week. Good morning, Urban Trades. Yeah, that was tough. Alright, my YouTube people. Who do I got? 5 Pound Fisher, Jesse, John. 5 Pound Fisher. Any fishing this weekend? Any fishing this weekend? Alright, so I got Nerve on watch. Nerve. What does the daily look like on Nerve now? Is this thing squeezing pretty big? Yeah, Nerve is. It's gonna have a little gap down, but it's okay. So Nerve high 1202. This thing moved through the 200 already, so next thing would be. Geez, almost like 16 maybe. It's a big move. Guys, I ate so much this weekend, it's not even funny. Like, I probably ate at 5 restaurants this weekend. Jims, what's up, man? Good morning, good morning. I'm not kidding, I ate at like 5 restaurants this morning. Okay, this weekend. OLB has not gotten 250 yet, so we got 243 high. Let's look at the daily on this thing and see what the $2 was the 200 moving average, so we've already moved through that, so now we're in squeeze mode on this thing. So we got 250 next. What else do we got next? 250. After that, we got like 269, 259, so 260. After that, from $3, we got room from 3 to 325, 350, 4. So OLB got some room. I like OLB. CFVI, 5 Pound Fisher said. CFVI. CFVI. No, it was looking good. Pulled back a little bit. I will say the weekend felt kind of long, which I guess is a good thing, but I'm still tired, but it felt kind of long. Morning Lang, morning gang, morning Lang, morning gang. Kind of rhymes. PXMD, I'm not going to even trade that one. HIL, probably not trade that one either. Drug, I have so many lines on drug. Looks like drug, our high is 416. This is the stock that just cannot squeeze. If this stock squeezes one day, guys, if drug ends up making a move one day, this thing is going to go straight from 4 all the way to 10. We have a high on the daily of 8 something. So that's going to be our first target, 8.95. After that, that's $9 basically. Then after that is double digits, $10 is right there, a dollar away. So I would not be surprised if this thing one day goes from $4 or $5 to 10. So we'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on it and see what happens. So I got my resistances drawn on drug. For me to take a trade on drug today, let me see, the 347, reclaim 347. Yeah, the 347, 350 is a good place to recover on drug. Looking at the 5 minutes, you'll see for one is a $0.5 psychological number. But look back, that's the pre-market high-ish right there, 340s, and then look back and that was a previous high like 5 days ago, 6 days ago on drug, 347. So for drug, I'm looking for 347 and above to start taking dips to trades to get that $4. Let me see, ASTR was another one. ASTR was another one. Let's see, who else is on YouTube? I got Jesse John, 5-pound Fisher. Zach, there's a supply zone on drug from 330 to 365-ish, which have been rejecting all morning. Yeah. I want OLB to pull back, though. I don't want OLB to hit 250 during pre-market. I hate, you know, guys, I know I hate when they do that. Like, I want to see the trade during market open. And OLB is trying to curl back up. So, I was looking this weekend to finally stream on TikTok, and I didn't realize everybody doesn't really get a stream key. You have to like apply for one through a third-party agency. You can stream with your phone like this, but I always saw people that they share their screen as well, kind of like the way I do here. But you have to apply for a stream key. So I did that. I contacted like third-party agencies and see if I can do it. If not, I'll probably start streaming with just my phone setting up. But I don't like doing that because I check my phone for my trades too. You know, sometimes I'm like checking my phone and stuff. So we'll see. Maybe I'll start it with my phone tomorrow. I don't feel like it today. Tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday. And then see if I get that stream key by the end of the week. But maybe that'll help more people get on here. Blair, good morning, Blair. ASTR, I don't really like ASTR. B-Way. Yeah, like a cheap like iPad type thing and just set it back there. But the thing is, would people really watch somebody just talking? They can't see my screen. They won't be able to. I mean, they'll be able to see my monitor, but they can't really see my screen. You know, they'd literally have to base only off my voice, and I don't know if people would like that. Okay, B-Way popped up to 644. B-Way popped up to 644. 200 moving average is at $7, and that's just 50 cents away. This one's actually not bad, not bad, not bad. B-Way. We need volume to come in though, because this thing had like a one candle squeeze and then gave it all back pre-market. It's almost like people just, algos just spiked it up and nobody really was interested in it. We got a little less than 5 minutes. Any stocks I'm missing? I got OLB, I got B-Way, I got Nerve, Drug. Somebody mentioned CFVI. Ooh, CFVI. I was about to say somebody mentioned CFBI, but this thing gave it all back, and then look at this one candle return, or like one candle curl back up. So now CFBI is back on my radar. I want to see momentum on CFBI. Rosendo, how are you, man? VIVK daily chart. I'll take a look at it. I'll take a look at it. So CFBI has a high of 1045. We have previous pivot at like 1043 ish. And then 200 moving average, this thing is way up to 1120 ish. So we'll keep an eye on this one too. And then PDD, maybe, but this thing is expansive. There's John. There's John. What's up, John? Are you taking any pre-market trades already? Anybody take pre-market trades already? PDD strong resistance at 65, so get us over 65 and then see what we can do after that. And then let's see what. Oh wow. Well, I was trying to short Tesla with you guys. Remember I was calling out that pennant on Tesla? I was looking at this pennant on Tesla, and I really wanted Tesla to stay within this range here, and then next time it comes up, short it there, and then wait for that crackdown. Well, it actually already failed through that thing, and I mean it had a pretty big gap down, almost $10-15 right there. And let me see SPY. SPY another gap down still. Look how simple trend lines hold, guys. I mean, if you're trading the large cap gaps, if you're trying to find swing plays, just find simple trend lines, right? Look at this, 1, 2, 3 points, and then if you shorted that day right here, yeah, you would have been on the negative the next day for a tiny bit, maybe $1.50, $2 a share, but then that thing just dropped like a rock, over $20, right? If you would have shorted this simple trend line touch. And then the opposite, find the uptrend line here, and then wait for that crack of the trend line. And if you go into a smaller time frame, you might see the break trend line, retest, and then dump. You know, so keep it simple. Keep it simple when you're trading the large caps. Okay, John, let's see. No, I didn't because of SPY being so bad, and you almost could tell cause OLB should have been a clean breakout, but it really couldn't have smoothly like you normally see. Now I'll be making a move for 250. Same thing that happened with Drug Friday, then at the open got killed by shorts. There you go, Ape Trades. Bro, you think the market will keep moving down today? If I was to look for a trade on like Tesla and SPY, look for the curl back up. Like on Tesla, I would look for this curl back up all the way to that trend line, and I would enter short again on that same trend line that I've been saying. I mean, I don't think this market's going to go up for highs, so it's going to trade sideways within a range. So the next time you go up to a range, up to resistance, support, I would short it again. So OLB, we open in 10 seconds. OLB looking for 250. John is right. This is looking like drug. So we got to be careful at open. And then CFBI, 5-pound Fisher was calling that one out. This thing just ripped to new high. Oh, and then pulled back. Awesome. Argent Trader, good morning, team. Let's crush it today. Are we watching B-Way and BBBY? B-Way, yes. B-Way, I need some volume back in it. And Ape Trades, we got it, man. Enjoy these last 2 days of August. Enjoy the last day or two of August, and then we kill it in September. So just 2 days here. I think it's 2 days. I don't know how many days August has. 3 days. And here goes OLB 250 break. No chance for us to get in. PDD, that super expensive stock, is already at. Check JZ. JZ. Oh my gosh. JZ, what are we looking for? Dead cat bounce from 180 to 12? That is incredible. Yes, sir, John. Yes, sir. We gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. PDD, though. Look at PDD. STBX. STBX, another dead cat bounce. Honestly, I'm tired of these dead cat bounces. Good morning, Austin Lewis. Good morning, man. How are you? PDD, though. PDD is one that... I'm going to keep this one on watch, Rosendo. I think you just called it out. PDD, the super expensive stock, though. I would like to see ASTR move high, then retest 118. I'm honestly pretty interested on PDD right now, which is the pricey stock. You guys know I don't really like these. Mersa took some OLB. Okay, just a VWAP bounce for us. So far I'm seeing, I don't think drug is going to move much. Nerve not either. We would have to have a sudden urge of volume on those things. PDD maybe, and OLB maybe. But PDD right now looking the best. It is a really pricey stock though. A little bit of shares will give you a lot of return. Drug, I see it. Drug kind of a little bit of downtrend with pre-market. Drug exactly at a downtrend with pre-market. Look at those two previous pivots. Ape trades, you doing calls on this thing? If PPD setups, I'll probably trade options on it. What does the daily look on this thing? Is this one that can run today? Besides that 67, we got 68.72 previous high. Doesn't look bad, honestly. This thing used to be $200. So on PDD, this is the last 1 minute candle for the drug 310 pivot. Yeah, I don't mind that. I don't mind that. Wait for that downtrend though. You draw your downtrend within the first 2 points of pre-market, and you're sitting at the third one right now. You might even break that and retest that downtrend first. So this is going to be the first 5 minute candle here on PDD closing high. That's a good thing. Where's our pullback to? 66 maybe? There you are, Sniper Trades. Good morning, CryptoWire. I saw your message earlier, but I didn't say anything. Sorry. Good morning, CryptoWire. I kind of want to get it down here on PDD. That was the place to get on PDD. I missed it. I missed it. That was it. I said $66. That was it. $66. I said 66 and I missed it. I changed my share size real quick and I missed that little bit of a bounce. Oh my gosh, drug. OLB coming back up though. OLB coming back up. 250 still tested it but didn't quite break it. Looking at OLB now. 243 break, which was a previous high, retest of 243 maybe, or anticipate it. Wow, this is gonna spike to 250. Watching Nerve as well. I see Nerve a little bit. I'm seeing Nerve. OLB, I was looking for the curl back up, but doesn't look like it. Just got destroyed up there. As soon as it hit 243, why was I saying 243? Pre-market highs, right? Look at 1, 2, 3, almost 4 pivots there. PDD. Let's see if PDD has it to go to a new high. That 66 entry on PDD would have worked like a charm. I'm good. Happy to be trading again. GEO. Somebody's saying GEO. Good morning, Fariza. PDD attempting a high of day breakout here. This thing might break high of day and pull away. We do have a daily 68, so if it goes through 67 40s, we could see 68 50 70s. OLB looks like it's done for now. We'll have to wait for that one to come back up. I'm seeing B-Way trying to make a little bit of a comeback. PDD is pretty strong up here. Trying to get a breakout on high of day, but this thing is pretty strong. Every pop up, it just gets sold into. Even though I'm seeing a lot more buyers on this thing, that's why I'm attempting a high of day breakout. Which is why I think if this thing breaks high of day, this thing might have a good $1.50 move. Bull trap on OLB. That 243, that previous high of day was my pivot. So I was patient to wait for that 243 to break and hold. It tipped it and it just reversed. So always have your resistances and then be patient to break them and hold. Otherwise, no trade. I'm still in on this PDD play. I'm down 30, 40 bucks, but I'm waiting for this breakout and see if it pulls away 50, 70, 80 dollar, I mean a dollar, 80 cents, a dollar, something like that. I'm seeing a lot of buyers step in. Here it goes, here it goes. Every little green volume gets eaten up real quick. This is pretty crazy. Every time I see green, flash of green on time and sells and candle pops up a tiny bit, it just gets red instantly. And this doesn't look like a volume. This seems like pretty good volume through here. Tiny consolidation, but it looks pretty decent volume. There's a flush of that. This is kind of recover. Fake flush all the way to new highs. Was that a fake flush to new highs? Yep. Yep. Alright, well I got that trade there. I'm still holding. I want to see this thing pull away to $68. I have 100 shares left. Small trade, dipping my toes in the water today, dipping my toes into some green profit today. I want to see this thing pull away. I could tell this thing had buyers left and right, so I want this thing to pull away here. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out. Okay, look at B-Way. That shit is how everything goes now. Spike up, then gives up hope, and then right back down. Yeah, you're right. STBX. This was called out by Rosendo, I think. Look at Nerve, too. Nerve just ripped. Look at Nerve. Nerve just ripped. A little bit, but it ripped. STBX as well. Andres called out Nerve. I see it. How's PDD doing? I'm still holding 100 shares on this one. I want to see the bigger squeeze on this thing. So STBX is a nice one. STBX is a dead cat bounce. Nerve is trying to get back in here. What else do we have? I took one small breakout trade on PDD so far. I'm still holding half of it. OLB was able. Okay, what has happened thus far should indicate us all to be patient today, John. We get it. Patience. That's why I took a smaller trade on PDD. Just a small breakout trade. I'm still holding it up $80 on it. Not a lot. Nerve is the one that could maybe have a nice squeeze to higher days. Drug just failed completely. Here goes PDD again. There we go. I want to see Nerve. I want to see PDD 68, 68, 70. That's previous dailies. It's at 68 right now. Can we get through 68 on PDD? I'm pulling a Zach on this one. Ow. I'm going to pull a Zach on this one. What do I think of Apple? Apple's going to do the same thing the whole market does. He goes 68. I want 68 to break and pull away a lot so I can feel comfortable holding under this pivot here. But it looks like momentum from last 2 weeks, Elvanar, is carrying over. $68 here on PDD again. Look at this. STBX flagging. STBX is flagging. Over a pivot too. Dang, missed my entry. PDD broke $68. If you got in on this flag here on STBX, that might be a good entry for you. That was a good entry on STBX. Did you take that trade, John? Did you take that trade? CCJ on my momentum scanner. I feel like Mondays I always have the least amount of viewers. Does everybody just not trade Mondays? Everybody just get sleepy from the weekend? I only have 30 viewers on Tradecaster. Or my streams are garbage and nobody comes back. I think that might be it too. UEC on momentum scanner. Oh, that's right. You had that PDD call too, Ape Trades. And Zach, you might have gone to PDD call too, right? That's one thing that I didn't like on STBX, the 5-minute candle, but hey, that dip worked right there. That dip worked from 685 to 720, 730s. That's almost a 20, 30, 40 cent trade already if you took it. There we go. See, Sniper Trade, exactly. Sniper Trade just got a 40-cent trade right there. Good job, Sniper Trades. Good job, Sniper Trades. What do I think of Apple? Let me see, just so I can give you an answer. Apple pulled back down to 200 moving average on the daily. So look at the daily, look at the 200 simple moving average. You pulled right back down to it and trying to use it as support. You did make a lower high up top, so if you hold support, maybe look to keep going higher. If you fall through that 200 moving average, then this thing might break that uptrend on the daily and keep pulling back. I want to get a nerve right now. Nerve, let's see. Nerve had a pretty big rejection to that downtrend. I'm still holding PDD. Let's look at PDD. Ape just got another call. Are you guys gonna move to options now or what? What's going on? Avaya, John said. Avaya trying to flag. Avaya 165 high. If you're taking a 5-minute dip buy on Avaya, it has to be down here to VWAP. I just don't know if this thing has a lot of buyers watching it. That 5-minute selling candle right now has a lot of volume. But if you're taking a dip trade on this, that's so that 135. Yeah, options are weird, man. You have to get a big move on options. Avaya 135 looks interesting. Even maybe tweezer bottom at 136. I will say PDD is not pulling away like I wanted it to. I wanted this thing to go 68, 50, 70, 69, 60, $70 maybe. That's a stock that can move a lot. Avaya still looking down here. I'm kind of liking this pullback on Avaya. I know the 5-minute has a lot of volume, but and then both drug. I think some of you guys mentioned drug and mentioned nerve. Simple downtrends, right? Simple downtrend on drug on the 1-minute right here. 1, 2, 3. I said wait for that to get on top of it and close above it, and got rejected right off of it. STBX flag. Yeah, not quite working still. PDD still also not really pulling away, not working either. It's gonna be another one of those weeks, another one of those days. I do see U on momentum scanner. I see TAL on momentum scanner. Just trying to find something with decent volume and see if it actually wants to move. These things are just UEC. I was watching this one, maybe a 5-minute pullback on this thing, but look how straight up this thing goes. Why can't our gappers do this? CMRX is what they're calling over there. CMRX still has a gap fill on the daily from 289 all the way up to 330s. B-Way failed, OLB failed. Nerve is the only one that might be trying still. I mean, it failed already, but it is coming back a little bit. Cryptowire just mentioned Nerve too. Nerve kind of holding ish. We have a $12 high on Nerve. The squeeze mode has been activated on Nerve, so we're just looking to see if this thing wants to keep squeezing shorts out, or if shorts are just gonna attack this now that it's at a higher price. Well, Tesla opened up green this morning. I was saying it pulled back up to that retest. Didn't quite get up that high, but it's already pulling back. When you get a big move on the big large scats one way, any pullback to the opposite side is just gonna get destroyed again, right? So I mean, Tesla had a really big move down. Even this first day, really big move down, small little pounce, gets eaten up like crazy. Look at that candle rejection. Boom. Next day again, gets a big move down, gaps down, pops up a little bit twice, gets rejected. So I don't know if this thing might hover here now and then make that clean recovery, or if this thing's gonna do another big rejection again. There goes CMRX. CMRX has 252 high actually. This was a good volume, a good candle squeeze up here. Can we get the break of 250 on CMRX? I took that dip buy down there. CMRX, quick little scalp, real volume, ripped up to 250, pulled back down. I took that trade. There we go. 1,000 shares left on this play here. Up $200 on this thing. This thing just ripped on me. That was awesome. Sold a little bit more there. Now I'm watching for this real squeeze on this thing. I wish I jumped in higher price. This thing has a gap fill. If we can get up to there, We got volume just now pouring into this stock. Let's see. You got some at 234. There you go. I got it on this pullback just now. It was a real clean trade that I saw it on. $249 and $250 are gonna try to hold as support now. 278 resistance on CMRX. Okay. This is a clean little volume though. Let's see if 250 holds as support now again. Man, this is pulling pretty aggressively. No, well, there it was. 250 held. Wow. That thing pulled back pretty aggressively and bounced even more aggressively. So I'm gonna put my stop under that. If we break down to under 250, then that stock is done. So I'm just looking for 250 to hold on this thing to turn back around. $252 was a previous high, but what about before that? So we're looking at 279. Okay, John mentioned that one. And then 289 up to $3. 279, 289 up to $3. I'm still holding PDD. Anybody else still has those calls on PDD? I just put my stop under this big wood candle down here, but I'm still holding these. CMRX still working out. Did anybody re-out on that 250? Did anybody re-out on 250 on CMRX? There you go, Ape Trades. Good job, man. Up, up. There we go. 10 cents a share almost. There it is. 10 cents a share. Hey, that's $100. There you go. 110, 120. Blair took that one as well. There we go. I'm still holding my 500 from the beginning. This thing, I'm looking for up to $3 on this thing. I should have added back at 250. I unfortunately didn't. I see both Nerve and Drug trying to turn around again. Let's see if now, because of CMRX, maybe some other plays start putting shorts in danger, they get scared and come back. I don't even know why these lines are here. There goes PDD, another little squeeze. PDD, I'm looking for 68, 68.72. We got 65. We're not quite there yet. 68.72 is what I'm looking on PDD. I'm fully out of PDD. That was a tough rejection up there. So I let that one completely stop. Wait, how much did I make on PDD? 122, and on CMRX I'm currently up 200. I have my stop under 250. I want to see this thing keep moving up. Nerve back up to that downtrend line. STBX calling out a 5-minute flag. Oh wow, look at PDD. Oh wow, look at PDD. Dang. Wow, my stop would have never triggered. I would have still been in this thing. Sold Nerve, great entry below 10. Nerve heading to that downtrend again. So here, this is the downtrend I'm watching on Nerve. Nerve and Drug both. I want to see this break of downtrend. Drug kind of trying to crawl back up, but has to get over VWAP first. And then STBX. Do we think STBX is at a 5-minute flag? Or is that too much pullback now? John, are you in on PDD? I was looking for 68.72 all day, and then there it is. I got it. Although I stopped out a little early. I saw this candle rip up to there and then rejected so fast. I was trying to take some profit up here, and at that point my stop wasn't in place, so I didn't want this thing to flush, so I stopped that fully somewhere through this candle here, and then it just reversed so fast. If you're actually watching these candles, if you're actually watching the stock when it does something like that, if it reverses like that, I've told this many of times, you see sellers coming in, and then if they reverse on them, those sellers are scared to get into a negative trade right away because they added lower, right? They didn't add high, they added lower. So if they start going red right away, they're going to get out so fast, and that thing is going to move right away. So that's why this thing pulled back and then reversed real quick. Next candle, instantly new high. Instant new high. STBX, you might try it around $6. Oh, that $6 might be way too low though. And he's calling out the ADMA, but we're already under the ADMA, so I honestly don't like STBX right now. We're under the ADMA on the 5-minute chart. How are you guys doing so far? How are you guys doing so far? CMRX. Oh, I forgot I'm still holding CMRX. I'm getting some of that down $60. Hey, you got it. You got it. Blair's up 6. Andres, that's paper money. Nerve is the one that kind of wants to. I feel like Nerve wants to go. Look at that downtrend. Look how perfect this thing is holding to literally to the penny on my downtrend. That's pretty hard to do because it's a downtrend. It's not a specific price. But look at it there. Real money. There you go. There you go, Andres. John, $0. Sniper trades. How are you doing, man? I think you took one trade. Which was it? Which stock was it? Which stock was it? STBX. $300 and you're playing the bottoms with small position and you're up 300. That's crazy. That's pretty good, man. I'm up. I just got fully stopped out of CMRX. Wow, it stopped me out and then it turned back around. CMRX, let's see if this thing wants to crawl back up to new high of 263. I'm up 175 on CMRX and 122 on PDD. So I'm up $300 too, Andres. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. I want to see if CMRX breaks this downtrend and heads for highs. Nerve keeps holding downtrend. I mean VWAP. And getting squeezed between VWAP and that downtrend. BRB. Awesome, awesome. Well, PDD's pulling back, 69 held. Only stocks I'm interested right now are Nerve, if we can get over that downtrend, and then CMRX if we keep holding 250. Nerve still 250 is good. Even if we dip down to VWAP, maybe on Nerve, ADMA is down there. That might match up combined. Although it would be pretty important to hold 250, half dollar. If we hold the half dollar, that will be a good thing. That will be a good thing. Anybody, Austin down $10. That's okay. That's a decent smaller day. You can get that back. One trade, you can get that back. Let me see. So CMRX looking for this flag here to break and take us to high of days. Still watching OLB. It double bottom, looking for a break above 222. OLB break over. Oh, I was like, you know what? I'm not going to look at price. I'm going to look at my resistance and see what I get. And then I marked the line here. I looked at the price and that was 222. So good job. I do that a lot of the times. I love a lot of times, like when you guys call out something, I want to see it myself and then see what I think and then see if it matches with what you guys think. CMRX to me looks like another flag. Using 250 as a pivot. So maybe, I don't know. ADMA is down there. VWAP's down there. I might take a trade down here on CMRX. Well, there is buyers. That's a good thing. But no, I think I'm going to be buying right into a short position. Unless this recovers just like PDD. Unless this recovers and uses both that downtrend and 250 as support on the other side. That will be interesting. Double support. Gets on the other side of this downtrend of 250 and I will be very, very interested. I do really need to do that TikTok. I need to look at those third-party agencies. I need to get more people in here. Okay, let's see. Sniper Trade. Sniper Trade's been AFK pretty much recently. Where's he at again? So we know that there's buyers on CMRX. That dip got bought up. Didn't even give it a chance to dip more to VWAP. There's buyers in here. Nerve still using VWAP, man. I think Andres is calling out that Nerve play. PDD 5-minute flag. I see it. Is Nerve also a 5-minute flag? I see one candle up, two candles down on the green. On the 5. Oh, but that one has a little bit more volume. PDD. Yeah, PDD. PDD looks good. PDD looks good. CMRX, though. CMRX is my main watch right now. There goes CMRX a little bit. Nerve as well. another attempt to that downtrend. Here's where CMRX should have squeezed, and it's looking pretty weak. It is not opening up fast. There we go. Oh, I saw a little bit better volume there. Yep, there we go. A little bit. 250 retest maybe, and I will get back in on this thing. Buyers are coming in here now. There's a nice pull away. Pull away. Can we look for 263 high of day? No, it was a dip by down there. Nerve. There goes Nerve. Wow, honestly, I like Nerve better. $12 is high on Nerve. What is it exactly? 1202. Nerve, looking for 1202, looking for 1202. We gotta hold this 1150 first. Honestly, even a big old flush down to retest that downtrend, I might get in. Zach, did you end up taking that trade on PDD? Was anybody in down here on Nerve? Zach, I mean not Zach, Andres kept calling this one out, man. Nerve looking for $12. Wow, SDT99 has a 1029 entry on Nerve. Good job, man. Are you still holding? A 100 shares only. Okay, that's still good. That's still good, man. That's over $1 a share. Over $1 a share. That's what we all look for. If you get $1 a share, you're doing something right. Where's the pivot on this thing, though? Let's look for a pivot. Shoot, 1130s is a pivot right there. Literally right there. CMRX is nice. Maybe another 250 dip, but I think CMRX on that one candle there after breaking that downtrend, I think that one should have gone already. 1150 is hard on nerve. That's probably because if we break 1150, hold 1150, you're going straight up to 12. Here he goes. Watching nerve carefully, watching nerve carefully. CMRX again, curling back up again. Okay, you took that PDD flag, okay. There you are, Sniper Trades. Again, been calling you out, man. You slacking, bro. I don't know where the nerve entry is. 1150 is right there. That could be the nerve entry, but that's a risky-ish play. That thing could pull back down to 1114 real fast. But if it does pull down to that level, kind of double bottoms this little pivot here, I might take some there. Good job, Sniper Trades. Yeah, I was asking you if you were taking any more trades or not. Was it only on your STBX play? Or you took another one? AHI also looks good, the one that you just called out. Pretty good squeeze on that one. Here, did we get a nice little pullback on nerve here? Maybe still retest that downtrend. Or $11, I see it. Some buyers there. Was that 11? That was 11. Exactly 11. It's just gonna pull back all the way. Oh, Sniper Trades. Oh, Sniper Trades. Hey, but you're green, man. You're green. 685 in the green. That's good. I'm only up 300 today. I mean, 300 is good, but you're doubling my day today, so that's good, man. Still looking for a retest of that downtrend, maybe even VWAP, but this thing is pulling back a little too aggressively, so I don't want this thing to flush through all of these levels here. $11, John called it out. $11 held a little bit. You're up to 11.15ish, 15 cents a share right now. But we're looking for $12 on this thing. Oh, AHI is halted. I didn't realize it was halted. Yeah, it's on my halt scanner. AHI is halted. Zate, what's up, man? How are you? CMRX, yeah. That's why I think CMRX, if it wanted to, it had to be that candle from 905 to 910. I think that candle should have taken us to a new high already. PDD, same thing. PDD kind of flagging for 15 minutes on the 5-minute candles. There goes AHI resumption. And that thing just flushed. Yeah, that thing, it could still go up. AHI, you would be looking for 150. There's PDD, Zach. Would it be patient? Would it be patient? Yeah, this thing might be flushing down. Nerve is still my number one watch, but looking at the 5 minute candles on Nerve, that red candle has had the biggest volume all day today. PDD about to give Zach a new high of day through 69. People calling out short on Nerve. Yeah, that 1150 was a short, the place where shorts took Nerve view up. Maybe I was looking at it. Nerve. Here goes new high of day for sure on PDD. I'll bet all my account that this thing breaks a high a day. Zach, I'll bet you my entire account that this breaks high a day. Maybe not. I bet you my entire account, Zach, that this breaks high of day. Wow, 69 to the dot is the resistance. 68.72. I might take a dip trade. 68, anticipating the 69 break if it dips down a little bit. I'm surprised it's not breaking 16. There it is. There we go. I just doubled my account size. My complete account. I just doubled my complete account. That'd be crazy, right? That'd be crazy. Nerve is feeling really heavy. Nerve is feeling really heavy, man. PDD was a play. We wonder why. What was your entry on PDD? Did anybody join Zach on that PDD flag? So this is what we like to see, right? Look at PDD. You get that big pull. Look at volume on the 5 minute, big push, and then look 1, 2, 3 candles down, and look at the 5 minute volumes. That's lower, right? That's not people selling. That's people taking profits, and then you get the next leg up to push up. And then look at Nerve. Look at Nerve on the 5 minutes. Nerve has the one candle. That's good volume, right? But then that next candle volume from 1150, heavy volume, right? More volume. That's why people are at. That's because people are adding short up here and pushing the price back down. STBX $6. Didn't quite hit $6, and that was. I think this one would have been a hard one to find unless you're using pre-market highs right here. Ape Trades, how you doing today, man? I will say I like the way PDD moves, but it's disappointed on its range so far. For a stock high price, I'd like for it to move bigger chunks. Down 20. There we go, making some money back. Ape Trades, slowly but surely. Yeah, that was a good trade, Blair. That would have been a good trade. You're right. PDD was definitely the play of today, though. I think I bought 200 shares. I don't know where I bought them. Way down. Wait. Okay, yeah, I held through that pullback. That's right. 67 is where I bought them. 69, 200. That would have been $400 trade if I held up to now. Wouldn't have done that. Nerve was trading 2 to 50 2 weeks ago. Offering is definitely coming. Oh. If that happens, this thing is going to tank. CMRX still. Anybody still interested on CMRX down here? Volume is dying and this thing is still holding VWAP. Zach, have you sold any, or you're still fully in on PDD? 75% of it. There we go. Okay. I still think CMRX over that downtrend here and over 250 could be a good place. Under 13 EMA. Still over the 80 EMA on the 5. BBVY squeezing up a bit. I'm still holding my BBVY, dude. Sometimes my app lags, and when I open my app, it still shows that I'm up on stocks that I've already sold. Like right now, it said I was still holding PDD, and it said I was up 300 on PDD, but that's usually what it would look like if I hadn't sold. So, but didn't do that. Glaze View, what's up, man? I don't recognize your tag. Are you new here? Anybody new here for the first time? I think one or two people were asking me yesterday on my Discord about my streaming. Did you guys make it on here? Can I check AHI? AHI halted up and then pulled back down, and this red candle is still pretty good volume down. This thing is consolidating at VWAP though. If you wanted to take a trade on AHI, you'd have to take it right here at VWAP, or maybe a small pullback to the 80 MA, which is 114-ish, and give yourself 10 cents of room, and you're looking for 142 or 150. So that's a 30-40 cent gain for a 10-cent loss, 10-15 cent loss. Even right here, look at this little pullback there. That's the one you could snipe, or right here down to 111.12. Sniper trades, you still trading that, or what's up? What's up? Anybody here for the first time on YouTube or on Tradecaster? Glaze View, have you been here before? Just watching, just watching. Same here. I've only taken 2 trades. I'm being patient. I'm taking John's advice. I'm being patient today. Took 1 trade on PDD, paid 122 bucks, and then 1 trade on CMRX, up 175 on that one. Both of them I had runners. Both of them I let them run. AVCT, and both of them I was able to have some nice runners. AVCT, not bad. CMRX still though. CMRX, another downtrend. Sniper Trades took that 5-minute setup on STBX. He's up 600, almost $700 on 1 trade. You wait for the setup, you wait for the right play, you take it aggressively, you take it confident, and you make your money just on that 1 play. CMRX is still trying to me. This down here was a 5-minute flag. Almost double bottom of this one down here of 246. Dipped down to 245. First time here at Tradecaster, awesome. Glaze View, everybody welcome Glaze View to the team. Hey, actually, Nerf is back up. Nerf is back up through 1150. Through 1150 on Nerve. If we get over 1150 and hold 1150 on Nerve, ooh, this thing can squeeze up to 12. This thing can squeeze up to 12. Holy crap, the sun just shining through my window and blinding me. Oh no, Lang. What's up? What's going on, Lang? What's going on? What you got, Lang? Name of the game is Patience. I added CMRX dip here. I didn't even see that. I'm watching Nerve. I added on Nerve for a little breakout here through 1150. I want to see 1150 break, and this thing can squeeze up right up to $12. The second shorts give out on this thing, and I'll stop out. This thing can just straight up go to $12. Are you taking good setups still, Lang? That's the first thing I always ask everybody. Everybody that comes and asks me, hey, look, I had a terrible day, and I'm like, okay, did you take good trades, or did you chase bad trades, and did you take terrible setups? If you took good trades, don't feel bad, right? If you took good trades, and that was your strategy today, and you took good trades, then you're doing good. If you took terrible trades, here goes Nerve, here goes Nerve. I said if Nerve goes through 1150, this thing could squeeze. I didn't jump in big share size though. And I'm still holding. I want to see 1150 firm up now. So 1160 pivot and 1178 on this thing. There it is. $12. I mentioned this thing. I mentioned this thing can go straight up to $12. I said this thing can go straight up to $12 if it goes through 1150. I said the second shorts give out, this thing is going to explode. Is that explosion right there? That to me looks like explosion. That to me looks like a big ol' explosion about to take out a new high. Shorts are scared, shorts are panicking, shorts are stopping, shorts are in danger. Look at this thing, it's about to rip up again maybe. Through $12 to 212.30s. Actually, a lot of shorts right there at 1208, 1208. Oh, I just sold, Zach. I just sold. Wait, when did I buy in? I only had 100 shares though. I only had 100 shares. But you know, I totally forgot about that, Zach. I need to get a dollar, dude. I have not gotten $1 a share in like a long time, dude. Or actually, I mean, I guess PDD maybe. But you know, this is not. These stocks are easy to get $1 a share. Wow, actually I didn't. 66.96 to 67.92. I missed it by 4 cents. I didn't get $1 a share on PDD. No, I just looked at it. I just looked at it, and I got like 96 cents a share. I didn't realize that. So this one, good call on Nerve Juan. Back up on the day. There you go, Austin. Good job, man. Good job, man. I mean, this should have been the place to add on this thing, though. I hesitated on this thing because that 5-minute flag had a lot of selling volume, though. You did. You hit $1.50 a share on PDD. Good job. Okay, Lang, I feel like I'm about to lose on CMRX. It's trying to hold VWAP, but I get the feeling it's about to dump on me. Oh gosh, I actually kind of did, right? So, too bad I didn't take this trade big. I only jumped in 500 and I sold 300 right away. But, damn, that was a pretty good trade here again, guys. I said 1150 can take you straight up to 12, and that thing in one candle went from 1152 to 1222. John, every time you say shorts are trying to push a stock down, I get more excited. What's your entry? 1145. Ah, bro, just hold this stop. You're already up $700 on the day. I'll just put a break-even stop and let this thing run. Look, this thing's about to hit another high. Right here, right here. Watch. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Watch, 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 watch. Here's a new high. Here's a new high. There you go, sniper trades. There you go. There you go. There you go. Does this thing keep pulling away? There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go, sniper trades. Zach, are you still holding your 25 on PDD? Guys, sniper trade's about to hit $1 a share at 45, right? At 45. Maybe, maybe. Guys, these entries we're all getting, man, we should all be making money. We should all be making money. This happens every day. First it was CMRX. Where did we take CMRX? We had it down here, and then we got that nice squeeze. And then we had PDD down here and got a very nice move. And then we had STBX, I think. Oh, this one would have not worked. So I guess we missed one there. But then Nerve again. Blair. Argent Trader, did you take that one, Argent Trader? Good job, Argent Trader. Anybody else took Nerve here through 1250? I can't get over my fears. Like fears that you're not trading everything, Blair, that you're missing out a trade? Or like fear of like losing money, or what's your fear again, Blair? I can't make money because these moves are all failing before I am in any decent profit. Yeah. Fear of losing money. I don't know, man. I mean, downsizing should be the way to go. Argent Trader from $11 to 12. You're finally green on the month. I mean, if you're playing at very small share size, you shouldn't be scared to lose, right? If you lose, I mean, unless it's something you can't afford. But if you're losing $5 a day, and you know if you could lose that for 5 months and still be down only $200 or whatever that is, then you're like, okay, you know what? I can lose $200. Then be comfortable with that, right? But I don't know as far as being scared with super small share size. Holding those last quarters until 12:45 or stop out at 12. Sounds like a plan, sniper trade. Sounds like a plan. PDD is respecting the half dollars and whole dollars perfect today. This is why we look at psychological numbers, right? This right here, look at this right here to the penny. What is that? 69. And then up here, what is this to the penny? $70. What is this down here, like to the penny? Where's all of this right here? 67.50. What about down here? 66. Exactly. What is this right here? 68. You got it, Blair. You got it, Blair. Nerve still wants to go. Nerve. There's your $1 a share. Sniper trades. There's your $1 a share. Dang, I traded pretty small share size today. Urban Trades, how are you doing today, man? BBBY could squeeze, bro. I don't even want to look at BBBY. Dang. Actually, I'm only down 700 on BBBY, but I'm sticking that to my grave. I missed AMC. I missed GameStop. I'm holding BBBY. I'm part of an ape diamond hands. Nerve, man, Nerve. This thing is going. This stock used to be $120. Can you believe it? Oh, okay. Are you in a margin account or are you in a cash account, Urban? Oh, Trading Genius. What's up, man? I just now saw your message. Everybody welcome Trading Genius as well, and Glaze View, I think from earlier. I don't know if he's still hanging around watching us make money, maybe making money with us. But look at us here. Sniper Trades up on the day. Zach nailing some nice dollar a share moves. Ape Trades, what are you sitting at, Ape Trades? Andres, smaller share size and still making $400 today. Andres, you're hanging out right there with me, bro. Right there with me. Let me see. Trading Genius, man. What's up? Yeah, we all nailed it again. We all nailed it again. That's what we do. That's what we do. Let me see. I should be up probably $400 on the day. Yep. $413 today. I think I trade pretty clean, man. When I get my trades done, look at this. Only 4,000 shares volume today. Only 4,000 shares volume. And I'm up $400. Friday up 700, Thursday up $16, Wednesday up 400, Tuesday up 400, Monday up 700. Man, I like the 400s and the 700s. Look at this. 700, 400, 400. 700, 400. What? For the last like week and a half, no, week and a day, it's only been 400 and 700 all days. YouTube people, I got 55 of you guys over there. Did you guys nail Nerve? I think Austin did. Anybody else jumped in on Nerve? Anybody else jumped in on PDD? Anybody else making money? PDD again. Look at this. What the heck? PDD, man. Is anybody still holding calls on PDD? You went to buy OLB for bounce at 192. What's your view? OLB at 192. You know, we're not the biggest dip buys on stocks that are not uptrending like this. But if you're looking for a dip buy or 197, 192. The only support I could see on OLB was the 200 moving average at 197. At 197 is the 200 moving average. You might expect a bounce there. $2.50 a share on PDD? Bro, you know what, guys? I'm starting to think that Zach is not real. I'm starting to think that Zach is not real. There's no way. There's just no way. Who agrees with me? Who agrees with me? I'm starting to think that Zach I think Zach is a 15-year-old kid. I think Zach is a 15-year-old kid who is looking for something to feel good about and have some attention, and so he comes in here and pretends like he nails every trade today for $1.50, $2.50, and just likes to brag about it to pump his self-esteem. I think that's who Zach is. Lang, are you digging it? Yeah, shake it off, Lang. You got it, man. You got it. You read me like a book. It's okay. Shake it off and don't overdo too much. Was it a big? Yeah. Lang, are you frustrated with the trading, or are you frustrated because you're digging a big hole? If you're digging a big hole, I'm sorry to say this, your only option is to turn it off and walk away today. That's it. That's your only option. We've all been through that. We've all learned that. I'm sure you've been through it before, right? If you have a big loss today already, your solution is to turn it off and come back tomorrow. Now, if you're taking bad trades or you're just frustrated that nothing's working, maybe you can hang around. Maybe you can hang around and take smaller trades. Maybe take the good setups only. But yeah. Ape Trade's done that too many times. Ape Trade, you back on the green today? Please tell me you're back on the green today. If anybody needs to give up on trading, it's Ape Trades, bro. Ape Trades right all last week, I think. Nah, Ape trades. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. We got this. We got this. It's this market, man. The trades I'm making are right, but nothing seems to want to go. Or I buy into something like CMRX or Nerve, runs like crazy. I just can't seem to get the moves to make profit lately. We'll get it together, man. We're all getting it together. I mean, we just started trading these 5-minute flags, what, 4 weeks ago? It took me 2 weeks to 3 weeks to study them, learn them, and now last week I started playing them. Today I started playing them, and we're getting some good plays, Lang. We're getting some good plays to be able to write them up for $1 share, $2, you know, crazy stuff. So we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I'm helping all you guys. How do you determine precision size? Very important question. That is a very important question. What are the 3 indicators on your chart? I'm a new trader with a small account, less than 5K. Blaze view. Alright, let me see. This purple one is view up. I'll get to your question, Ed. I'll get to your question. That is a very important question. But our nerve is straight up rallying still. There's no pullback on nerve. Look at this. Just take him smaller share size, Lang. Are you under PDT rule, Lang, or are you over PDT rule? Just take him smaller share size. There's nothing wrong with taking 50 shares, right? Under? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. For example, there's nothing wrong with taking smaller share size, guys. Like, look at, I can tell this stock right here is volatile, so I'll explain that for Ed. But I'm taking smaller share size, right? 500. There's nothing wrong with taking a 500 trade. $500, I mean 500 shares and still making $100. And then look at PDD. PDD stock is even more volatile. Look how many shares I'm taking on PDD. 100. I was able to, just in my head, go from 100 shares to 500 shares on 2 different stocks and still kind of calculate to be equal my same profit, right? So $100 on Nerve and $122 on PDT, but completely different share size. There's nothing wrong with scaling down on a stock that you think is too volatile, too risky. So, but Ed, to explain my share size, CMRX, I guarantee you CMRX I took more, 1,500, right? I go from 100 shares to 1,500, but my profit is still pretty accurate, $175. It's not like 1,500 is making me $2,000 and then 100 shares is making me $5. It's not. Nerve is still going. Wow, did not expect that. But how do I calculate it, right? For one is the spread, but I look at the spread on the chart, right? Look on the right hand side and see how fast the stock is moving. See how fast you can make 10 cents. Yeah, for real, Nerve is just straight up going. Look how fast you can make 10 cents. Why 10 cents? Because 10 cents is easier for me to calculate. I have 1,000 shares, 10 cents is $100. If I have 10,000 shares, 10 cents is $1,000, right? So 10 cents from here to there. That's a pretty big move, right? Look at this big move compared to those candles. That giant candle right there, that's 10 cents, right? That's 10 cents there. Now, let me go look at Nerve. How fast can I make 10 cents? Holy crap, I have to zoom out. Look how fast I can make 10 cents. From here to there. That's 10 cents right there. Look how tiny that line looks. CMRX still holding. I saw that just now when I looked back at it. Look how tiny this little line right here is of 10 cents compared to my line on CMRX of 10 cents. Oh, CMRX just ripped. Hold on. CMRX looking for 259 pivot to break a downtrend here. 250 broke and looking for 263 high of days. I need this to keep, yeah, Lang, like whatever Lang said, keep ripping, keep holding this volume. We need to slap it on Shorts' face right here. We need to keep this volume up here. I don't know that I like that closing on CMRX. You get to take thousands of shares per trade, so those moves pay you, but you have to take 50 cents for me to see anything decent. Well, that's the thing, Lang. It just depends on how much your account can tolerate, right? If I have a $200,000 account, of course I can tolerate a $5,000 loss, right? It's less than 10% of my account. But if you have a $5,000 account and you take a $2,000 loss, you're like, holy crap, that's almost half of my account gone. For me, if I take a 20, 30 cent loss with 5,000 shares, yeah, based on, yeah, so I kind of calculated. So Ed, to answer your question real quick, if I can get 10 cents, it takes a lot, then I can step up the share size, right? Because 10 cents, I mean, if I take 10,000 shares for me to get $1,000, it has to move a lot. This thing has to rip like this, like that to get 20 cents. But on Nerve, I mean, a small little candle, look how big 10 cents is. This is my 10-cent line right there. Look how big 10 cents is. If I take 10,000 shares on this thing and that thing moves this tiny bit, I'm already down 2-3 grand real quick, right? I can't take 10,000 shares on this thing. I mean, one of these candles, yeah, that thing could pay me from 11.50 up to 12.20. That's 70 cents. That's $7,000 if I take 10,000 shares here. Yeah, I could make 7,000, but look at this. I could have lost 5,000 right there. PDD is still ripping, dang. And then on CMRX, I take 10,000 shares on this thing. Even if I took them here, right here at 2.4, all the way up to here, that's a big move on the stock, right? That's a big move. That's only 20 cents. That's only $2,000 with 10,000 shares. Very different. Okay, let me see, Lang. But Nerve would tie up too much capital in hindsight. Yeah, I get it. But what you were saying, it's all account relative, right? It's all account relative. If you have a 10,000 share account, a $10,000 account, then obviously you're not looking to make $2,000 like me on a 10-cent move, right? You'd be looking to make $200 on a 20-cent move with your account. So I know you're like, I have to hold long to get the big returns, but you gotta stay on it. You gotta focus. You gotta keep going at it. Your account will grow. Um, what I suggest is keep going with your small account, keep growing it. But if you can on everyday stuff, save a little bit, right? Save a little bit. Save $200 a month, $100 a month, $50 a month. You know, pick up an extra side hustle, pick up an extra job, pick up an extra, do something, you know, craftsy and sell them something, right? And if you can get 25,000 on an account, on a day trading account, you have nothing to stop you. You got nothing to stop you, dude. And we've been doing that, Lang. We've been doing that. We've been sniping the bottoms. That's another thing. We've been sniping the bottoms, man. We got it. We got it. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure out. You sound pretty discouraged. I've never heard you like this. You sound just tired of this market. You sound pretty discouraged. I've never heard you discouraged. But I've seen you take some trades. I've seen you nail some trades that I'm like, you know what? I wouldn't have touched that, and you killed it, man. You killed it. So good job. It's okay, brother. I know it's not easy to trade live and answer questions. What I do is that I calculate the range between my entry and stop loss divided by the amount I'm willing to lose, and that gives me my position size. Yeah, that makes sense. Now, a lot of the times I take trades, I don't have time to be doing that, right? I don't have time to be thinking. Nerve, I don't have time to be calculating right here. This thing is moving too fast. I don't have time to calculate. I just eyeball it. I just eyeball it. I mean, 500 shares breaks. I'm at $100. Okay, that's decent. That's decent. If I buy something and I'm instantly down $200, $300, I'm out. Or I either put a stop loss or I'm out. You know, just get out of it and downsize. Are we still watching anything, guys? Momentum scanner is dry but Nerve, but I mean Nerve is just no pullback, no 5-minute pullback on this thing. Blair, same thing for you, goes for you, man. You'll get it, you'll get it. Guys, you have to understand. You have a Discord. I do have a Discord. I do have Discord. Ed, is this your first time here? Everybody on YouTube, if Ed is his first time here, speaking yes. Alright, well still, everybody welcome Ed. Ed, I will say on YouTube, For some reason, my chat over there doesn't chat as much, even though I have more viewers. My chat over on TradeCaster.com, which is also where I stream live, they're definitely more active. So if you ever want to switch over to TradeCaster, just go to TradeCaster.com. Once you get asked for the payment, cancel out of it. You don't have to pay anything. Just cancel it, and then you should be able to watch me free. But here's the link to my Discord. There you go, there you go. And then if anybody's watching me on TradeCaster for the first time, I'm also going to put my Discord right down below for you guys today. Click that and you should get right into my Discord. CMRX is still trying to break a high a day. Here's that 259 pivot on CMRX. 263 is high on CMRX. Andres, almost $500 on the day. Good job. I appreciate it, guys. I do all these things. Been trading for years on paper and live. I'm just experiencing the bear market beating me for now. I'm patient. Hey, Lang, me too, man. Me too. If you go break even this whole year, you're doing something right. You're doing something right. Hey, appreciate it, Ed. Appreciate it. Marsa also having trouble today. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's part of the market. You know, you guys have to create an account on how to create an account on Discord. You probably let me see. I don't know. I haven't made a Discord account in a long time. Probably just make your email or something, pick a username or something like that. CMRX is the one I'm looking at. This might be a high of day scalp on CMRX through 263. Small high of day scalp here. Breakout trade on CMRX. I want this thing to pull away. Got a little bit of profit here, but I'm waiting. There we go. I'm waiting for this to do that. And then I'm being more patient with my play. So I'm taking some profit, and then I'm putting stops in place. Bounce of 263 here could be another add. Retest of high of day. Hopefully this holds. My stops right below it. Hopefully this holds and gives us that next leg up. That was not the biggest breakout though. 264 entry below. There we go. You could have, if you took your profit right there, you had a couple of cents of profit. That was not the breakout we were looking for though, but you got awesome. Crazy day. Also crazy. Oh, not day. Crazy Daisy. Also, have you been watching live with us? I also don't know if I remember your username or not. John took that trade as well at 258. 258. Good job, John. You anticipated the breakout way early. Watch, this is a new 5-minute candle here on CMRX too. Nerve still. Nerve also could be looking for a 5-minute pullback maybe. Look at that volume dying on Nerve. If Nerve down to like 1245-ish could be good. Dennis trades just watching today. Dennis, are you the one that's in my course? That I DM'd you yesterday? That has to be you, right? Yeah, I think that is you. I think you're in there. Maybe. Hold on. Anyways, Wait, let me know if that's you in my course, Dennis. Let me know if that's you in my course. PDD finally pulling back. Where's your stop on PDDD, Zach? Dennis, awesome. Hey Dennis, I don't know if I DM'd you yesterday or not. I might have not sent them. But Dennis, any questions you have, man, you're in that private Discord. Good course. I was gonna say, you were in that private Discord, man. Do not hesitate to ask me anything, man. If you need to jump on a phone call and me explain anything, I will jump in it. If you have any questions about the course, let me know as well. If you have any feedback on the course you want to share to everybody, let me know. Let them know. Appreciate it. Hopefully you're learning a lot. Hopefully you're learning a lot. I definitely took a long time to make that thing. Definitely wanted to make it as best as possible. So hopefully you're getting what you pay for. Sniper Trade is gonna call it CMRX. I'm liking the CMRX. Yes. And that goes for everybody else. I don't know if you guys are also watching. I think I think I DM'd some of you guys, or I posted it on the private Discord, an announcement. That's what I did. Yeah, that's what I did. It's still 300 for your course. Yes, it is. Yes, you can use the 150 discount, 150 off, and you'll get 150 discount. But if anybody else that was in my course, I think some of you guys watch on YouTube. Guys, I say this all the time. Do not hesitate to ask me anything, guys. Do not hesitate to ask me anything, to go over anything else, to go over certain videos on the course. If you need some topics that I maybe missed and you're like, hey, you didn't talk about this at all, tell me on that other Discord, right? I'll make a video and upload it. It's very easy to upload new videos on there, and you guys will have access. And then also eventually, guys, I think I uploaded the last video on there. I had uploaded it, but I somehow didn't publish it. I just made an outro video on the course saying that options is going to come on that course. And so I'm going to make a whole section about options. And if you already paid for the course, it's going to be free. It's just going to be added on top of that, and you're going to learn everything you need about options. So I'm also going to do that. I have not started yet, but when I do post it back on there, I'll let you guys know. I'm taking a little break because those videos were hard to make. Not hard to make, but tedious to record and edit and save and all that stuff. So you guys give me a week or 2 or 3 weeks, and then I'll start doing that again. So CMRX 5-minute flag. Okay, this is our last 1-minute countdown on this 5-minute flag. My next play, PSTV. PSTV trying to break $1. Okay, PSTV trying to break. CMRX just pulled back through there. Dang it! As soon as I left CMRX, that gave us a nice little dip. Have been investing long term for the past decade, but only 1 year trading. Your information has helped me finalize trading concepts to become better. Thanks for all the info. Keep doing what you're doing. Appreciate it, Dennis. Appreciate it, man. Also, I haven't really mentioned this, guys, at all, but I'm going to be adding an affiliate link on my course. So everybody that's in my course, you can just DM me if you want an affiliate link, and that goes for everybody right now. If you guys are in my course, you can ask for an affiliate link, and I will give you guys a personal link where you can send it out to people, and if they purchase the course through that link, you actually will get commissions for it. And I'm gonna make it pretty generous. Like, you guys maybe make 20-30% of the course, so that's $50, $60, $70, $80 maybe. If they pay full price, which is the $450, whatever that is, almost $90 maybe. That was a dip buy on CMRX. Ape Trades is green on the day. There you go. Did you take that trade right there? But appreciate that, Dennis. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate all the feedback. Good job, Ape Trades. Nerve, though. Nerve is the one pulling back down 4 red candles in a row. And look at this volume dying on Nerve. 12:45, guys. Who remembers me calling out 12:45 on Nerve? You guys remember me calling out 12:45 on Nerve? I hope you guys do. I hope you guys remember me calling out 12:45 on Nerve. Bro, how did I nail that? How did I picture that 12:45 from like 10 minutes ago? Dude, how did I picture 12:45 from like 10 minutes ago? It literally dipped down to 12:40. Wait, hold on. I gotta see the exact low on that candle. 12:44. My bad. My bad. On a stock this volatile and the entry was off by 1 penny. I'm holding for new high of day, Zach. Pictures RX at $3 from me on. How much was I up on Nerve before that trade? Only $100. Now I'm up to $300 on this thing so far. Almost $300. Oh, as I was saying, guys, anybody who's watching me live and you have my course, if you want an affiliate link, just send me a DM and say, hey, I want an affiliate link. If you promote my course or have somebody pay for the course and they use your link, you will you will automatically get commission for it. I haven't really told anybody though. I have to. I don't think it's hard to set it up, but I hadn't announced it yet. I'm still holding Nerve. Feel like Nerve wants to go again. Just being patient with this thing. I want to see maybe a new high of day. See if we don't get stuffed up here. Did not jump in a lot again. Only 500 shares again. Took out 200 profit so far. Or 200 shares profit. But now I'm going to hold for either I get stopped out or I hold for high of day. I kid you not, dude. I really feel like he doesn't trade anything with the biggest volume on the day. I think he trades everything that has lower volume. I don't know if it's because those are easier with his share size for him to literally be the wall. You know, I mean, he's buying 50, 60,000 shares. I guarantee you some of these stocks with the pullbacks. Well, not CMRX. Well, CMRX, some of these candles down here have 80,000. I mean, he's buying, look, 90,000, 69,000, 51,000. You know, if he's buying 45, 50, 60,000 shares, he's buying half of that, right? And some of these are a quick tap and buy, like this one right here, 220,000. But this one tapped it. I think he alerted that one and then bounced back up. He's buying a fourth of that candle. Let's go back and look at Nerve. Nerve testing downtrend. Nerve testing downtrend. Do we break this downtrend on Nerve and head for high of days? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this beautiful trade on Nerve, guys. I said 12:45 this morning. I will say I wasn't expecting this one. I wasn't watching it closely. I happened to just look back and I saw it dip down to 12:45. I was like, I'm in. I remembered Nerve. I remember 12:45. I said I'm in. So I punched the buy button. There he goes. New high of day. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. What did I buy it at? 12.50 and it's up to 13.50. That's $1 a share. That's $1 a share. That's $1 a share, Zach. That was $1 a share. $2 shares today. Pretty much, almost. Oh my god, this is what I'm saying, dude. I get excited for my dollar share, and Zach gets $4 shares. Guys, look at this trade. Look at this trade. I think somebody, Juan, did not take that, but you did call out the 12:50 5-minute setup. Wish I jumped, dude. I called this one like 20 minutes ago. No, not 20 minutes ago. I called it a while ago, but yeah, that was crazy. That's why I'm shocked. This one, literally 12. I would like the stock was somewhere in here, and I said 12:45. So this pullback hadn't even happened, but I was like, you know what, 12:45. I'm in on this stock. Clean trade there. Clean trade. 12:45 all the way up to 13. I think I sold 13.50 something. CMRX again. CMRX down to ADMA tap. There we go. Any advice for small accounts? You said you have a 5,000, right? 5,000, 5,000 dollars, right? Is that what you have? Watch, guys. I was up $400 on the day. If I import this right now and I'm up 700 on delays, I'm literally gonna lose $100 on purpose just to not be up 400 and 700 days. Only all week. Glaze view. There's no way. Look at this. 697. Blair is out for the day. Alright, thank you, Blair, for stopping by. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you. There we go, Green Day. You gotta get over your fears, Blair. You gotta get over your fears. That I don't know how to help. Emotional, I can help all of you guys with any trades as far as setups, risk, you know, anything like that. Man, I sold way too early on Nerve. Glaze View. Glaze View, can you hear me? Glaze View? STBX above VWAP. Okay, I see it, I see it. CMRX is the one that, I mean, kind of had a nice pull away here, but this thing needs to go. Yeah, 5K. Alright, first of all, 5K, it's a small account because you don't have 25K, right? But 5K, it's a good amount. It's a good amount. So, are you familiar with whole cash rules and all that stuff? Because I would definitely suggest you use a cash account. There's two things I suggest. Either use a cash account or you open an account with CMEG and transfer all your $5,000 over to CMEG. CMEG is another broker. I don't know which broker you have right now. STBX back below VWAP. Lang, did you take this trade with us here on Nerve? Yeah, that's what I was getting at. Exactly what John just said. So 5,000 shares. So, Glaze View, here is what I suggest, right? You have 5,000. If you don't know what a cash account is, Austin, you took the Nerve trade. Oh my gosh. Austin is the one that literally takes everything that I said. He makes money on all of them, dude. Good job. Glaze View, 5,000. If you're in a cash account, you can use half of your balance one day and half of your balance the next day. And if you do that, then you can trade every single day. So 2.5K on Monday, and then Tuesday 2,500 again, and then Monday's 2,500 will be back on Wednesday. Now, that means that you have 2,500 to trade every single day, right? But now, if you take one trade for 2,500 on the $2,500, then that's all the 2,500 you used on Monday. So you can't do a one trade a day. What I suggest you do is split that 2,500 again into different trades, which is what John said. 5 trades are $500. So then you can trade 5 times in one day of $500, and then trade 5 times a day. You take 5 trades, and then tomorrow you come back and you take 5 more. I have 2 cash accounts with Fidelity and E-Trade. So my suggestion is, whatever you have in each account, divide it by 2 and trade that cash account every day. You know, that value. And then you can divide that in however many trades you want within that. If you have $2,000 and you divide it by 5, then you have $500 trades. Or 4, you have $500 trades. If you divide it by 10 and you want to take 10 trades, then you take 10 trades of $200, right? Whatever you want. If you want to take more trades or less trades, or you want to trade bigger trades or smaller trades and get bigger, more winners than having a one big winner. Trader Colt, what's up, Trader Colt? How are you, man? What's going on with John? Nothing good. Nothing much. Nothing much than the usual. Destroying the market with my team. Nothing much than the usual besides destroying the market with my team. Bro, I feel like Mikey's only traded CMRX today, and it's just not doing it for him. What price? Ape trades. That 258 bottom-ish, 250, 260. I don't know why talking so much in the mornings gets my nose stuffy. 160. Good job, man. There it goes. Ride it all the way, John. Ape Trades. Ride it all the way, Ape Trades. Stop in place. Ride it all the way. Come on. Work out for Ape Trades. Give Ape Trades, my friend, a good trade. I don't want him quitting day trading on me. Yeah, that's exactly where it's stopping. Look. You're looking for that downturn break. Same thing on Nerve, right? Same thing that happened on Nerve. That downturn break, you want to see that squeeze through it. Like right there. Downtrend, squeeze through it, and then keep running. Hold on, which one was it? CMRX. There we go, Ape Trades. There we go, Ape Trades. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. We're all pushing. We're all rooting for you, Ape Trades. We're all rooting for you. Look at that green on the tape. I might emotionally help you, and I might actually help you. Candle's gonna close here in 1 second. There it is. Here we go, Ape Trades. I'm in with you. I'm in with you. About that 263 retest and downtrend retest. Let's see if this works out. See how on this one I'm taking 1,500 shares and that price is barely moving? Well, now it is moving. Gotta be a little patient. I want 263. I want close over 263. Right there. I want that close right there. 15 seconds left on this candle. Ooh, that's a lot of red. Last 15 seconds. I think CMRX, a lot of people have been trading this stock all day long, man. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna break out. Lost like $15 there. Tried helping you out, man. Tried helping you out, man. Nerve, man. How I jumped 500 shares, 1240. Bro, my Nerve play would have been almost up $2 a share now. That's crazy. Wait, who was the guy that just joined? Tradical, there you go. Are you looking at Weber? I am not looking at Weber. Should I be looking at Weber? No, I am not looking at Weber. That scared the crap out of me. I was looking at CMRX. I was looking at CMRX and I was looking at Nerve. Pretty much the two stocks I've been looking at all day. I did take some trades on PDD earlier, but PDD didn't ride it as long as I could have, and now it's pulling back too much. So no trades there, no trades there. So I lost some money there. So at least it's not a $700 day. I'm tired of 700s. I'm tired of 400s. Swole Granny, man, what's up, man? Hadn't seen you in a long time. So I lost a little bit, exactly like $15, so up $682 on that trade today. I feel like you always misspell my name too. What the heck? What's up, Soul Granny? Did you destroy the market today or what? Sorry, man. Sorry. No, I was saying I'm tired of making. Cause look, Monday last week, I made 700, right? 700, and then Tuesday, 400, and then Wednesday, 400 again. Thursday, $16 profit. Friday, 700 again. That's two 700s. That's two 400s. Monday, 700 again. Well, actually, now I'm not up 700. I'm up 680, but that was funny. Bro, I'm excited to see you. I'm excited to see your name on chat, bro. Where have you been? How you been trading, man? Have you been trading anything at all? Did you short the whole market a week ago? Did you short everything? Literally everything. You could have shorted anything and you would have made money. Tesla, SPY, you know. Lang, bro. We're gonna help you, Lang. We're gonna get some nice trades. We're gonna get some good trades today. Not today. This week, Lang. You're gonna get some good trades. Hagaska. I haven't seen Hagaska either, man. I think he watches Sean. I think Hagaska watches Sean. I don't usually have time to check their chat, so I don't know if they're watching somebody else or not. But I think the other day he DM'd me on Instagram, Agaska or something, or maybe he posted something funny and I replied to it. This is what I'm saying, guys. I covered my short 431.65 Friday SPY. Yeah, I figured everybody was shorting SPY. I had some nice trades on SPY too, but I played them with options, which you know I usually don't trade options. But I had some. It was a little too early, but I kept it open, and then I averaged up on it, and then I averaged in again on the winning trade, lower, and I got the goal, the big fadeaway that first time. It's pretty crazy. I played it pretty perfect almost. I'll show you real quick. I want to brag about it because this was a perfect swing play. Alright, so SPY. I took the first trade right here, a little early. You need a signed poster of me and motivation in my office for motivation? Bro, I'll do it. I'll sign it. I jumped in right there early. The next day they were green, but I didn't cover them. They went in the red. I was looking for a big move, so I left them open, and then I kid you not, I added right there on that horizontal line. I think the high was like 431.70 something. I added like 431.60s or something. I added there. Instantly the next day we're green. I missed this entry and I added there. So this was my first early entry. This one I top ticked it. This one I top ticked it. And then Actually, it was kind of upsetting because I covered mostly here. All of these I covered mostly there. I don't think I held anything for this day. That sucked. So maybe nearly perfect. If it was perfect, I would have held there, or even up to here, or even re-added here at this trend line touch. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches right there. That would have been a nice add. But add, averaged up, averaged down into a winning trade. Boom. And the crazy thing is, these were the bigger winners. These right here. Because this was Friday and it was out of the money expiration on that same day. So I bought these right here. I bought them for like $4.20 or something, $4.21 or $4.22. Super cheap, super cheap. I bought them super cheap, like I think it was like $20-$30 each, and they were up to like $1 or something. It was like a $300 return. Okay, what are we watching now? What are we watching? CMRX flag. I mean, it was so repetitive. This is like the third flag on the day. Not interested. Nerve way too up now on the day. We did take this trade here. That was a good trade. But now, what are we waiting for? I mean, ADMA is creeping up. If you want to take another small share size trade, 1337 maybe, pivot there, ADMA tab, see if it keeps going on. But I honestly will not take that trade even if it presents itself, even if it works out. I'm probably done playing Nerve. Unless we get a big pullback down and then kind of starts climbing back up, curling back up. PDD, I think Zach's mentioning PDD looks tempting on the put side. Actually, it kind of does too. My YouTube people, how are you guys doing today? Green, red? YouTube people, how are we doing today? Green, red, small red, big green, big red, break even, no trades. John, did you ever take any trades, John? Oh, you did take some trades, John. How are you doing today, John? Go cry with your profits. Awesome trades, baby. I'm not crying. Lang has $700 to play with today. John is green, small green. There you go, there you go. Keep the green, though. Keep the green. You need to make $50 off 700 trade. Jesse up 200 at the moment. Small green for Tom Buccaneer. Let's see, the only trade. Actually, AHI is kind of climbing back up. Weber, somebody mentioned Weber. Nothing on Weber. PSTP, nothing on that one. Broke $1, 2 cents. Pulled back. AVTH, no. Hey, is that you from YouTube that you just switched over? Eduk Thibault? Okay, awesome. Thanks for joining Tradecaster, man. Thanks for joining Tradecaster. Soul Granny, you're doing awesome, man. I love seeing you kill it. Just stopping in to say hello. Appreciate it, Soul Granny. Appreciate you coming in here every once in a while. Even if you don't trade with us, that's fine with me. You got your own personal streamer that you watch, and I respect that. But I do appreciate you coming in here and saying hi and checking up with me and stuff. So that's awesome. Appreciate it, man. You got to send me a poster, and I'll sign it for you, man. I'll sign it. Send it right back to you. Just kidding. Same as Ed. Appreciate it, Ed, for joining in on Tradecaster. Everybody watching on Tradecaster, if you didn't know, I think when I end the streams, you're able to subscribe to me, which I don't know that it makes a difference or not, but you can subscribe to me on Tradecaster and you can give me a rating. So 1 star if you hit my face, 5 star if you're learning a lot and making money and whatever, you know. So we'll see. Hello all, saying hello. Currently flying Delta. You tell me you're making money while you're flying? Also appreciate you stopping in. Where you going? Back home or are you going away? Are you going on vacation or are you coming back from vacation? Yeah, but you're going to it or you're coming back from it? Like you're about to go to vacation or you're already coming back from vacation? Okay, going. Awesome, man. You're going to have a fun week. Hopefully you have a fun week. Too many shots he forgot. For real, he already started his vacation early. I really am not seeing anything, guys. I'm not seeing anything. I'm not trying to be boring. I'm trying to get to know you guys, trying to talk with you guys. Not necessarily trading, and that's not because I don't want to trade anymore. That's just because I don't see anything, right? B-Way was a stock this morning, pulled back. PDDD, I mean, consolidating down there, nothing yet. Nerve too high for me to trade. I mean, look at this move from $9 to $14, a $5 move. That's a little extended. STBX, no volume on this thing. CMRX already pulled back to VWAP. Maybe you could take a small ad at VWAP. Maybe that was the play right there. Look at that volume pulling back on CMRX. Pretty low volume, but also a little bit of extended under the ADMA on the 5. You know, not liking the setup. AHI might be the only one that's creeping up a little bit. You're looking at 142 high. If we do get that high of 142, we're looking for a 150 break on this one. This one might be a possible trade. AVCT no, PSTV no, Weber no, FRO no. So we're still watching. We're still watching. By the way, just wanted to say you're awesome, Juan. Appreciate it. Will, are you a person that constantly watches me, or you're also just stopping by and saying what's up? I don't know if I've recognized your username, but appreciate it, man. Obviously, you've watched me before if you think I'm awesome, so appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. And hopefully you do have some fun, man. Hopefully you have a lot of fun in your vacation. Cancun. You speak Spanish? John is in on AHI. Oh, AHI just ripped. AHI now is in play, maybe. Let's see if this volume on AHI on that break holds. Awesome, man, awesome. I'm sure they all speak English over there in Cancun too or something, but you gotta practice your Spanish. Do I think SPY bottomed out? Do I think SPY bottomed out? I don't even know where this thing is going. Let's look at the daily on SPY. That's a pretty aggressive pullback on SPY. AHI though, I want to see AHI maybe retest 123. A lot of orders stacked at 130 on the sell side on this thing. Puerto Rico here. You're from Puerto Rico. Where do you think I'm from, man? Where do you think I'm from? What do I look like to you? 123 pivot on AHI, not so bad. I would say Mexico, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think SPY has bottomed out. Look at this pullback here on SPY. I mean, this thing just flushed through 2 levels, right? This thing still has some room down. I would not be surprised if there's nothing in this economy or market for this thing to recover and go to back highs, especially respecting 200 moving average and the trend line right there. I mean, this thing might keep pulling back. AHI though, 123 pivot. I'm looking for it. Maybe small ad there. That was a 5-minute close. Actually, maybe even lower. Now that we've closed that 5 minutes, down to 120-ish. Wow, maybe not. Now, if we do rip like this and hold volume, then looking for a breakout over 142, maybe up to 150. But if this thing does not hold at all, then that's not real buying volume. I am Mexican. Anybody else from Latin America? That scared the crap out of me. Anybody else from Latin America in here? AHI is the only stock that I'm watching. Dr. Andres from Ecuador. Don't you live in Spain, Andres? What is that? breakout trade here, maybe on HI through high of days. I want to see this volume firm up and know that is real volume coming in. If I take this trade, I'm not gonna make much. Maybe just back my $15 that I lost earlier. Candle's about to close. Maybe a small little pullback here. See if this thing holds. There you go. $37 there. Now, oh, this thing is halted. This thing is halted. This thing just halted right there. That was crazy. It halted so fast, I didn't know. Oh no, guys. Oh no. You guys. Oh no. Wait, nerve perfect entry? Yeah, it's really not hard. What's it called, Ed? Watching chat rooms, live trading, and teaching at the same time, bro. It's actually pretty hard. It took me a while to get used to it. Well, actually, Ape Trade saw that halt coming up. Nice. Andres, you live in Spain, right? I didn't know you were from Ecuador. Nerve perfect entry in my opinion. Hey, that's 1337, man. If you snipe that bottom, at least you have able to put a stop in place, you know. That's exactly what I did earlier. If you snipe that bottom, just put a break-even stop, right? Don't even let it go red. There's no need to. That's what I did here. I sniped this bottom. I put a stop right there instantly. Never touched it. Will? Oh my god, Will is literally trading on a plane. I thought you were kidding earlier when you said that. You're literally trading and making money. You have 1,000 shares on AHI from 112. Bro, nice trade, man. Is that your full entry, or have you taken some out? Smappy. Swell Granny, appreciate you coming in here, man. You have a good day. Come back often. Come back often. Come step by and let us know what you're doing. Let us know. Come flex all your profits, man. We like it. We like it. Lang, hey Lang, tough day for you, man. Keep your head up. Keep your head up. You got it, Lang. It's just part of day trading, guys. It's just literally part of day trading. You have to go through days that Lang is going through today to be a successful day trader. There's no way around it. There's just no way around it. You know. So Lang, take a break. If I think you usually trade all day long, Lang. Take a break for the rest of the day. Maybe just don't look at the markets and come back tomorrow. Okay. But come back tomorrow and be ready to trade only if your head is clear from today. If you're still upset about today and you come back tomorrow, you should not trade. You know, you have plenty of days to trade, years to trade. Don't let one stupid day and your emotions ruin it for you to blow up or have a pretty big loss and then get discouraged more. Alright, Lang? We got a deal? We got a deal, Lang, or no? Let's make a deal. Let's make a deal. For all of you guys here, I've seen you guys for a long time trading live with me. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I was just gonna say, most of you guys that I see trading here with me, you've been trading for a while, and that tells me one or two things: either you're profitable, either you're break even, or even if you're losing money, you're at least emotionally stable to keep trading and learning. Right? You guys, if you would lose money and you just was tired of day trading for, if you lost money for 3, 4, 6 months and you just tired of day trading, you would not still be trading live with me. So I know that you guys are either breaking even, losing a little bit money, making a little bit money, or killing it, but all of you guys have a mentality of a day trader, and I appreciate you guys all coming in here. So you guys just keep it up. Everything gets easier as you go, even for me still, you know, guys. I'm not making thousands. I'm not making millions, you know. We're all here learning together. So AVCT, not bad. AVCT, okay. My watch is on. Bro, I need to like silence my phone when I trade, because that gets annoying, dude. I'm trying to trade and my phone just vibrates left and right. That gets on my nerves. What time did this halt at? 32.22, 32.22, so at 37.22, so pretty soon. I'm down 3K on the year since I started trading real money daily, but it's mainly just from tons of small losses adding up. Hopefully these plays will start paying off soon like they have been these past weeks. Hey, Trader Code, that's my problem, man. That's exactly my problem. I take profits way too early. And Lang, that's okay, man. I mean, you got it, man. $3,000 is not a lot of money. I mean, yes, it is, and I know for you guys it might be a lot, but there is 150 break on this thing. We never broke 150. I re-added on this play for the 150 break. There it is. Check out my profit again. Another 40, 50 bucks there. That's what I'm saying. If you spend $3,000 the whole yield to learn, let me see. Oh, that thing just flushed. Mercer, you did the same thing as me. You took that small little trade. I'm playing a small share size, but I mean, right there, we never broke 150, so I'm looking for 150 to break out. So pulls back down, hold level can also sometimes be a support. If not, looking for that 141. Why is 141 my support? I always mark them, right? 141, look left, there it is. So I took a small ad there, looking for 150 break, broke, I'm out. I'm out, took my profit, I'm out. So small little scalp there, but made some money there. Yeah. But Trader Colt, I have the same problem, man. I have the same problem. I take profits way too early. I could show you why I take profits way too early. Look at this. I still do. Even though this one probably held it longer than I usually do, look how early I still took these profits. I bought 500 shares here, and I took 200 shares out, almost more than a third of my position. Well, I don't know what that is. Right there in that same candle, took 200 out. Why? I mean, I'm in the green. My stop is down there. Why did I take this out? I have no idea. Why did I take these out? It hasn't even tested that downtrend. Now that I broke that downtrend, this was an okay sell, anticipating high of day. Okay, breaks high of day. Okay, but maybe these should have been my first sells here. This, either I stop out, break even, don't make anything, or even bump it up to this low and then I make a little bit if I stopped out. But these should have been my lows. And then where's my runner? Not there, non-existent. Look at this. I missed an extra 13.4 to 14, an extra dollar a share. That sucks, Zach. You did call out those puts. You know, I pulled them out too early. Even these. I mean, if I held the runners from this 500 share trade down here, I would have made another $2 a share on that one. PDD, same thing. I did leave these runners, but look at my runners. You're like, that's a big move. Dude, I caught the big move. Did I really? No. I left $5 a share on the table. I left $5 a share on the table. Guys, so my goal now that I've finished my course and put it out, obviously my goal is to prioritize those people. Obviously, I'm always going to do that. But my goal now is to try to grow my stream a little bigger now. Now that I got my course, I can relax a little bit, nerf flagging. And now my goal is to get the stream a little bit bigger, get more people on here. More opinions, more thoughts, more brains to help the team and stuff. So all I ask is you guys support. You know, you guys, it really is not easy to be looking at chats all day long, to be trading, talking through everything. I mean, my mouth gets so dry, my nose gets stuffed from talking, and then at the same time be trading. You know, it's not easy. So all I ask is you guys support my TikTok, my Instagram, my YouTube, my Twitter. Now I opened my Twitter. You have to put safety features to look me up on Twitter. Just kidding. My Twitter is JuanTrades21. I need to fix my username, but JuanTrades21. Um, you guys, if you have social media or anything like that, post about me, post about my live streams, tell people to join, tell people about trading, retweet my stuff, comment on my TikToks. That's all I ask for, right? Not even money from you guys. I don't ask for money yet. All I ask is for support. Let's get more people in here. I do have to figure out the TikTok live stream. I think a lot of people will pay attention to that. Although I don't think it's going to be people that necessarily day trade already. Maybe it might be a bunch of beginners, but maybe a lot of people start watching it then. So I took another extra $80 on AHI. That put me back up over $700 on the day. So now I'm up $720 on the day. Friday was 713, very close number, $7 off. But I will say Friday I think was mostly a one clean trade where I small gain and then boom, $700 and then kind of gave some back. Today was a grind. Today was small winner, a little bit bigger winner, small loss, bigger winner, another winner, small loss, another winner. So it was a grind today. Several trades, but that's a good thing. As a matter of fact, let's see what I feel like I took a lot of trades today, a lot of green trades today. How do I look this up? Hold on. Yeah, TraderView is sometimes not the most accurate. This doesn't make sense. It's saying that my trades for today, $720 profit. It says that my trades for today were all 100% winning, which I did take some losing trades, so I don't know why it says that. Ape Trades, did you end up green? Ape Trades, did you end up green? There you go, from negative 60 to positive 55. That's a $100 gain afterwards. That's a decent day if you avoid your early loss. If it was a bad trade, if it was an unfortunate trade that just didn't work out, that's fine. You still made $100 after that. Nervous, clearly bullish today. Wonder where the next load area will be because you could get in and ride it up $2 a share on Nerve. Nerve is finally tucked under the ADMA on the 5 though. So if you see all day today, we were riding the ADMA. We had perfect dip right there to the ADMA. Again, touched it, and now we're under the ADMA. So this thing might have a bigger pullback than you think. Watching AHI for a 5-minute flag. That's heavy volume though. If I do take a trade on AHI, it would be down to like 130s. But that is heavy volume on that. Do you agree with me, Mercer? You still like it? That 5-minute selling volume, right through 150 and back down through 141. It's a lot of selling volume. Wow. Mercer, if you added on that thing, good job, man. 10 cents a share. P2. I was looking for 130, but a lot of times I've seen these, when you see double bottoms, triple bottoms right there, man, that thing instantly uses that as support. Even though the pivot is that one that we're looking down there, 130, if it uses this one, that ADMA eventually ends up curling back up and it will show like it touched it, but it really didn't, you know? But that thing turned around right there. But not the one after that. I still had volume more than those two green ones. But still watching. 141, hold 141 might be the entry. Or maybe dip trade here, anticipating another touch of 141, but it's already at 141 again. Shake. Yeah, 2 more cents is what we needed. Good spot though, good spot. We still have 2-3 minutes left on this. Oh, dude, I still have some. You guys, I'm not kidding you guys when I'm saying I ate like at 4 or 5 different restaurants yesterday. I had like the biggest, most combined dinner last night because I finally had leftovers. I had like chicken fried steak. I had potatoes from a breakfast place. I had Mexican food, chilaquiles. I had rice. I had beans. I had some vegetables. I had, what else did I have? There was potatoes from 2 different places. There was French fries. Bro, that was one of the weirdest meals I've ever had in my life. It was leftover food from literally 4 or 5 different restaurants, and I still have some more. Chilaquiles sin cebolla. Yep, I don't like onion. That is funny because I literally asked for chilaquiles and I literally said sin cebolla, por favor. I don't like onions. I don't mind the taste of onions. I just don't like the crunchy feeling of onions. Looking at AHI, Stormy, really? What is a food that you guys cannot eat? Come on, I need to get to know you guys. What AHI is going on without me? AHI is going without me. Bro, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this cat. How am I supposed to trade like this? She lays right on my keyboard. Can y'all see her? What is a food you cannot, guys, you cannot eat? Fish? Okay, Argent Trader cannot eat fish. I love fish. I love anything seafood. AHI maybe retest of 141 again. You guys are not replying to me. I'm about to just call out somebody random. I'm about to just call out somebody random. Ketchup? That's weird. You cannot eat ketchup? Can you eat pizzas? Like tomato sauce pizzas? No problem. Just not ketchup? Looking for a dip to 141. Stormy, I literally have to raise my arm to go over you to the keyboard. I'm gonna buy in here a little bit. I cannot see my stop, dude. I hate these stocks. I can't put a stop. It's exactly 143. Where's 143? There it is. I'm wanting to see 141 firm up and then that curl back up to 154. Small share size, already stop in place. No, not a losing trade here. But this is what I'm saying, guys. If you can get a stop in place and avoid a red trade, just do it, right? Just do it and then receive. You get that right up. I could take this profit here for $10 gain, but I want to see the curl back up to 154. Now I'm only trading small share size now. I'm not risking anything big. But there it goes. There it goes. Wait. You're gonna have to help me. You're gonna have to help me that on that one, Ape Trades. Hold on, give me a second. Look at this. Looking for 154 again on this thing. Another winning trade. Another 40 bucks here. I want to do my part, and in case we don't break that, but now I've taken my profit out, and I can't put a stop again. I have to look for it. There it is. I'll stop under that low, that candle there. Nope, I can't do that. I can't drag it up to where I want it. Oh dear Lord. I'm gonna lose my mind, bro. I'm gonna lose my mind with these stocks like this. Stupid stocks. Okay, 145. There, 145. There we go. This is a very tight stop. It's either like I get that squeeze and breakout, or I stop out and take my money. That's pretty much it. This is not one that I'm just gonna play super patient and have a stop way down there. I just want to see if I get the quick squeeze or not. I almost had it that first time. Here it goes. There it goes. Sold up there. 154 double top. There it is. There it is. Fully out. Fully out. Olives are yeah, I don't like all snail. What the heck? Snails? Well, I hope you're not eating snails as regular. Holy crap. Zach, you have to be. Wait, Edu, Fredo sauce? Man, maybe people are more picky than I thought. Yeah, what the heck? Snails? Olives, I agree with you. I don't like olives. Snails, I don't even know if I've eaten a snail. Probably I wouldn't even like it though. Sardines are okay. Onions too, I don't like onions. Beans though, bro. Beans are, it's my whole culture, bro. That's like an insult to me. Ketchup's good. Alfredo sauce, I guess Edu doesn't like sauces. Let's see, olives are gross. It's rice and beans, frijoles. I'm telling you guys, Zach is not real, bro. He's an algo. Even the voice, it's an algo. He probably thought like, "What's your favorite food?" instead of "What's your worst food?" and he just said beans, trying to get on my good side. I eat any and everything. Okay, okay. Okay. What do I turn MVP routing? Ape trades. Setup at top. Okay, setup. Guide me, bro. Guide me. Application settings. Order defaults. Ooh, this? Wait a second, did this just fix my whole problem that I've had? Let me see. Let me say I want to buy a 154. What if I go down to like 150? It doesn't even let me put it. Oh, maybe it's because I was on the wrong side. I have no idea. Rodrigo, let's drop some likes. Appreciate it, man. Everybody like on YouTube. Everybody like on YouTube. Comment on YouTube. Get the algos like Zach to start liking this YouTube, promoting it for more people. Appreciate that, Rodrigo. Appreciate that. That's all I'm asking for. That's all I'm asking for. I'm here for you guys. All I ask is for the support. That's perfect, Rodrigo. Appreciate it. Man, this thing actually ripped. Did people jump in on AHI? Mercer called it out down here. We missed it by 2 cents, but I even said 141 dip entry after that, and I mean this thing is going. It's halted. Awesome, I do appreciate it, man. Speaking about food, it's making me hungry. All right, things that I don't like. Actually, you guys, a lot of you guys didn't comment. I'm about to pick somebody up. Mercer, you didn't tell me. Wait, did you tell me anything? Mercer, give me The food that you just cannot eat. That setup was perfect, yeah. BBBY? Is BBBY rallying? Please tell me BBBY is rallying. It's going back up to that $12. Octopus. Okay. It's pretty chewy probably, right? I feel like I've had octopus before. Is it pretty chewy? Grace. No. Gussie Sedesi. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hit the likes. Hit the likes on YouTube. Hit the likes. Especially when you put soy sauce on them and they start moving on their own. John. I guess we know who what John eats everything. John eats everything. I'm a picky eater, but there's certain things I just definitely will not. Banana, the texture I can't stand. Bananas, I eat bananas all the time. That's like the only fruit I buy and eat weekly. Mangoes, I love. Cilantro, I don't like the taste of cilantro either. I don't like cilantro. For being Mexican, there's a couple of things I don't like that. Like cilantro and onions, I don't like. I love spicy food, but I cannot eat salsas. Like when you get chips and salsa, like that red salsa or the green salsa, I can't eat that. Just the texture of that, I cannot eat. But I can eat spicy food all the time, you know. Like if it's within the flavor already and it's spicy, yes. But if it's salsa and like stuff like that, no. Not legal. CFBI skyrocketing. CFBI skyrocketing. Dude, you called this one out this morning, 5-pound Fisher. Do I like Chipotle, like the restaurant Chipotle, or like Chipotle like sauce? I see BBBY ripping too. Back up that. I think that 1222 was a key place. Oh, 1223 was a high on pre-market one day. The restaurant. I do like the restaurant Chipotle. Yeah, I like that one. I like it more than Freebirds. I like Chipotle more than Freebirds. RVPH going crazy as well. RVPH as well. Nice 5-minute flag on this one. I just never saw this one. What is the daily look at? Already moved through the 200 moving average. Next resistance on this thing could be 265. Actually 250 first. I'm getting so hungry now. So now we got a few stocks to look at now. RVPH. And then what was the other one? CFBI that 5-pound Fisher called out. CFBI. CFBI ripping, RVPH ripping. 5-pound Fishers, did you take any trades on CFBI? I will say this one looks a little bit lower volume than RVPH. RVPH looks good. Holy crap, I got real hungry. Go. 224, that's exactly a pivot I put, Mercer. How many stocks did you watch at the same time? Love birria tacos. Okay. 5-pound Fisher in at 1028 on CFBI. Oh my gosh, 5-pound Fisher, good entry, man. Good entry, man. Here goes RVPH trying to pull back to 224. Is this a low volume pullback to rip to 250s? And then AHI is still halted. I wonder what AHI is going to do out of resumption. It's the second time that stock halts. We're all talking about food instead of stocks. How many stocks do I look at? I have 6 little screens on my side chart. That's usually the ones I look at. but I replaced them. So I think I took B-Way out, then I put RVPH there. That was a little bit of an aggressive pullback here on RVPH, but I'm watching 224. So I have 6 little things on the side. AHI is resumed. Not the best opening on AHI. But still once more, 1.8. AHI, let's see if this thing keeps going up to $2. But RVPH is looking the best to me. I hope BBY keeps going, dude. Actually, I had BBY up here. I took it out. So BBBY. I just replaced PDD for BBY. PDD is no longer interested in it, so I replaced it with BBBY just to keep an eye on it. I still have my 100 shares on BBBY. Down 600 on them now. £5 fish, you're riding that from 1028 on CFBI up to 1085. I do like this pullback here on RVPH. I was about to buy, man. Okay, watching this RVPH curl back up, maybe through 250. I was about to buy down there. That volume was completely dead. Looking at RVPH through 245 high up to 250. So yeah, I think it happened to us again, Mersa. We're looking for the bigger dip, and it just sometimes it doesn't give it to us. So RVPH is main watch right now. CFBI pulled back, AHI resumption and pulled back as well. RVPH broke downtrend, held a nice bottom, and then volume isn't coming in here. Oh my god, and then volume came in way down there. That was weird. Didn't mean to sell, did not mean to sell. This is ripping through 245, 250 maybe. $225. Oh, 225, yeah, we wanted 225. If not, that retest of downtrend, if you had an order there, maybe you could have gotten filled for that pull back up, but that would have been a tough entry. It spiked down so fast and then ripped up. BBBY, it's still going, man. BBBY. Done for the day, just made the rent money. Thanks, Nerve. Awesome, man, awesome. I don't know how to say your name. Gasaseresi. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for tuning in here, watching live, chatting with us, and I will see you back tomorrow. I'll see you back tomorrow. Gasaseresi. Yep. If BBVY gets over, let me see what BBVY looks like for me. Look, here's some loss for you guys. Down 600 on it. I bought it the day before it flushed. Oh well. Our VPH on that, trying to squeeze through 245, 250 again. Bigger sell volume. Look at that 1 minute. A lot of volume. Push that thing back down. AHI dip 141. Actually, yes. I do like that, John. I do like AHI dip to 154. ADMA tab is right there, and this volume has very little volume right here. Again, is it going to turn back around right above our pivots again? I do like this play though. I do like this play. AHI at 154. Why 154 look left? I want to see this resistance hold as support. And this thing on the daily. Wait, why is there no 200 moving average on this thing? Oh, it's a recent. I don't know. RVPH cannot go higher, but cannot break the support at 2.3. So you know a lot of people are at 2.3. AHI again. Maybe that was a small place to add. Did you add there, John? Even though it's not the 154, but did you add that down there? BBBY is still holding 1223, 1224-ish. Here goes the pullback down on AHI. Bought that little pullback there, but I got filled high, but that thing recovered pretty good. Still watching this thing. 154 is what we want. Buyers aren't even letting it dip to 154. No 154. Invisible pivot holds again. Invisible pivot holds again. RVPH still trying, after holding 230, still trying to crawl back up. Now you have another downtrend on this thing. It's okay, that's okay, Mersa. Slightly green, it's still a winning trade, not giving money back. I think I made $5 on my trade there. Let me see. And guys, another thing that I want to point out is if you guys get discouraged because you're having a lot of red days, hang in there, right? Out of nowhere, you might have a nice little streak of days, a nice little green thing. Oh wow! Now I'm up $800. When did I make that much money? When did I make another $70, $80? remember. I don't remember where I made more money on. I mean, I hope this thing isn't wrong. There goes RVPH 245. You might take a trade 245 to 46 up to 250. It has to be HI. Oh, it's probably this trade here. I guess I just hadn't imported it. Carrion, man. What's up, Carrion? How have you been, bro? Destroying the gym, looking shredded, Kyrian. I see you. You any trades today, Kyrian? That was another dip buy opportunity on HI again. There we go, right there. That Mercer took this time. Zach also as well. I missed that one, but that was another opportunity. Right, we're trying to find the little bottoms and just get a good price, get a good average, and then have some of these plays really work in our favor. This thing, I mean, you could, if you hold the stop and at break even or above break even or even a little bit slightly less, you have a target of 1.8, right? You're looking at 1.8. You're looking at 1.8. And this could be a structured kind of play, right? You could risk the 154 or the half dollar right here, 150. Risk that 10, 15 cents to the downside and looking to make 30 to the top side. That's a good trade. Kyrian, yes sir. 800. I'm sitting at 817 right now. Grindy day. Good trading today though. Although I probably will not be staying here much longer. I think I already stayed a little longer than usual. Usually I'm done, but I said this week I'm gonna stay a little bit longer, and if I see something power hour, I'm gonna trade it again. But we'll see. And honestly, there's not anything really worth me staying here. HI might be the only one. Nerve, actually, Nerve kind of a little bit of a pullback there. See, Nerve, if it gets over that 80 MA, then it gets interesting again. So I'm going to put an alert on this one anywhere above here. STBX, no. What about CFBI? 5-pound Fisher wasn't on this one. He had a very low average, so that's still good. RVPH looking heavy up here, looking for 250 break. CMRX, this stock, we were trying to get good entries on it. We got a couple of them, but we never got the big pull away. Where's my trades? There they are. I will say this stock I did not trade the dips actually. ABCT. ABCT, there's just really no volume on this one. UPSC, let me look at that one. UPSD. Oh, price your stock. Also a little bit of lower volume. I think for the rest of today, at least for now, unless something comes up, I think the trades are HI might give you a trade, or RVPH. If it breaks that 250, RVPH might continue this run. Break 250, $3 next, and this thing, I mean, it's making a run today, making a nice run today. Andres, man, I'm telling you, dude, downsizing. Mighty, what's up, man? Mighty, how are you doing today? How much are you up? I know you're green, so how much are you up, bro? Not Mighty. Andres, I'm telling you, dude. Sometimes these lower, averaging down, but taking smaller hits and getting the big runner. You're up 700, dude. Right, you're right there with me, man. You got it, bro. You've had some big green days though recently, though. Look at me today, 800. I broke the 400, 700 little superstition here. 800, 700, 16, 400, 400, 700. 900. Whoops. Bro, I'm trying to be like you now, dude. You've passed me. My consistency is there, but your big days are big. Junior Garcia, ¿qué pasó? I hope your Fortnite game was like that. Dude, my Fortnite game, dude, this guy wants to play me in Fortnite, and every time I tell him, he just talks smack. He talks smack. He's like, bro, I'm gonna kill you. Bro, I used to be so good in this. I used to be the best. Yeah, good job, Andres. Everybody give Andres a little bit of a fire emoji over there. And every time I tell this guy, bro, I'm ready. Bro, I'm ready. Right now. Let's do it right now. He doesn't. He just ghosts me. He just doesn't reply, dude. Every time. I think he's a little scared. Tienes miedo. Tienes miedo. Andres, downsizing, man. Downsizing, get your consistency. And that's still a great day. $600 profit today. That's still a great day, man. Get on FIFA? I don't have FIFA, dude. Hey, Kieran, what do you play, man? I know you play soccer, but, like, who do you play for? What level do you play at? Downsizing is everything, I'm telling you guys. Slow day in the large caps besides PDD, very strong earlier this morning. I traded PDD. It was a pretty pricey stock, but I traded some nice dip buys. I left a lot on the table on this one. I had some runners on here that I got up a little bit early, and I think I sold them through here. But I left like $5 a share on those things. Walker in trades Kimsu. You were nasty on FIFA too. So you're a professional soccer player in Asia. Okay. Awesome. That's crazy, Kieran. Awesome, man. How long have you been professional for? We got a professional soccer player in the house, guys. I used to play soccer, man. Bro, Andres, I might play some Fortnite with you too, man. Easy. Oh, Junior, you took those $70 calls. Yeah. Those paid out probably if you held them. If you got them pretty early and stuck them out to 71, 72, 70s, you got paid pretty good. Andres, we'll play some Fortnite, guys. We all gotta play some games. I have a gaming chat on my Discord, guys. You guys have to let me know what games you play or what you're playing. I'll play with you guys. Warzone. I like Warzone, but Apex is my focus right now. We'll play some games though. I don't have FIFA. I might have to get FIFA to beat Kyrian and some Mighty stocks too. Mighty, cuando quieras, bro, yo estoy listo, Tú nada más me dices jugamos y juego. Jugamos y te doy tus clases, bro. Don't need to chat knowing, but too late now. I play on PC. Wait, don't need to chat knowing? Oh, sorry, Kyrian. You don't want me to tell him? My bad, bro. Is that what you don't want, Kieran? Dude, I'm sorry. I don't want to upset all of you guys. If there's anything you guys don't want to know, just let me know. Now if I lose money, they'll say I'm confused, man. Anyways, let me see. Walk through trades money stock, one Martinez. I'm waiting for you guys to hop on PUBG. PUBG, I've been wanting to play PUBG too, man. GCT slowly moving. GCT was John's favorite stock. John kept trading GCT and shorting that thing. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna trade anything else today. If I'm looking at anything, it'll be Power Hour. But AHI possible trade still. Oh, there's that 154 pivot on AHI. Nah, you're good, Kieran. You're good, Kieran. We all make money. We all lose money, man. It's part of the day trading. We figure out how to get back in it. Nerve is still going, bro. I'm about to just hop on here real quick and give some Mighty Stock some classes real quick. But yeah, Austin, we'll play some Apex, man. We'll play some Apex. Andres, we'll play some Fortnite. Kieran, I might have to get some FIFA, man. I might have to get some FIFA. But yeah, we'll run it. We'll run it. Anytime you guys want to play on my Discord, there's a gaming chat, right? Just say it. Just call it out right here. Here's my Discord. There's a gaming chat right there. I think Ape Trades was playing Multiversus. I don't know what this guy kept doing that for. I also stream sometimes. With my friends. If you guys want to play us live, watch me play live, you gotta go check out our stream. I'll show you our stream. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done trading too. So this was yesterday. Look at this. This is me and my friends. Triple stream. Isn't that pretty nice? Isn't that pretty cool? Triple stream. You can see everybody at the same time. Guys, if you guys want to watch me play video games, right here, Scrub Trilogy. I have the link on my gaming chat as well. We'll probably stream tonight. We just started this. Mighty Stocks, you have to play some Apex, bro. You have to play some Apex. Let's see if I get some action here. I don't know. Whatever. First, I saw GCT moving, but lower volume. I'm not a fan of that stock either. Oh, who do I root for in an NFL? You know, anybody taking on trades on AHI? AHI, let me see. A little bit of increased volume there, tucking under the ADMA. Don't like it as much as I wanted a quick bounce here. That would have been the trade there. Failed, but you would have been able to get on it there. But you do have a lot of red candles there trying to get back down to that. Yeah, this thing needs to go pretty soon. Otherwise, it's just gonna slowly fade and tuck under that ADMA, and then it'll be a fader. It'll do what Nerve did up here, right? Where you're expecting a bounce. That should have been your bounce right there. But since it didn't bounce right there, it tucked under the ADMA. Look exactly. It looks the same. Look, it tucks under the ADMA, and then it just fades. There's no more bounce anymore. There's no more people actually buying this thing. Yeah. So look at a Nerve. This is a move you want, right? Where it pulls back down, you snipe that entry, instant resolution, right? That thing rips high. But when it doesn't do that, and you try to get the bounce there, it fails. Bounce there, fails. And that should have been the place to bounce here on the 5-minute chart, and there's no bounce. Then it starts fading, and it fades on the 1 minute, and it fades under the ADMA on the 5-minute. A lot of knowledge right here, guys. Look at that. Right, this thing had to go right here. Couldn't make new highs. Fades. No more volume. Look at the 1 minute volume and look at the 5-minute volume after that play. Strong volume, lower volume. Big volume after that fade. Nobody wants it anymore. HI is looking similar. Strong volume, ADMA starts fading, lower volume. Actually, now you're getting bigger volume on a selling candle, so even worse. Guys, I think I'm gonna call it for today. I'm gonna go eat some food because I am hungry. More leftovers, but eat some food, and then after that, I'm gonna see if finally, Mighty Stocks wants to get his butt whipped around in some Fortnite. If not, then he's just a scared cat. Scared. Bless you, Austin. I muted myself, but I'm glad to know you guys really do stare at my face. I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day, guys. I might be back power hour. Currently ending the day at $817 with 90 cents. Appreciate all of you guys staying all the way to the end. Appreciate it. If you're on YouTube, appreciate it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I did post. Let me see if I still have it. Here's my Discord link for anybody that wants to join my Discord link. Holy crap! Now I got the hiccups. Appreciate all of you guys hanging all the way to the end. Later, guys. Have a great day. You know, guys, who I haven't seen in a long time? Kevin. I haven't seen Kevin in a long time. In a while. Not a long time, but in a while. Rosendo, later, bro. Appreciate it. Hopefully, you're taking care of your injuries, man. Hopefully, you're taking care of your shoulder, I believe. All Shamrock, thanks. Appreciate it, man. Guys, if you are still going to day trade for the rest of the day, if I'm still going to day trade for the rest of the day, go to my day trading chat on my Discord right here, day trading chat, and you guys can keep chatting in here. Also in the mornings, I don't wake up until 15 minutes before market open. But if you guys are up an hour, wait, Zach, you play with you trade with your candles not filled in? Oh, how do you do that, man? If you guys wake up early and you I just now saw that, and you got good memory, but it was my elbow. Testing it out tomorrow. Awesome. Oh, that's right, tennis elbow. I told you that. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm telling you guys. Talk to me. Talk to me. I'd like to get to know you guys. See what you got. Each got going on. Friends, thanks. Enjoy the day. Appreciate it. If you guys are here in the morning, come chat with these guys. Look at them up at the crack of dawn. 6:39. John's here at the crack of dawn, naming his plays. Maybe finding some pre-market plays. You know. Alright, so day trading chat, gaming, let me know here if you're all ready to play. If you guys want to watch this stream live, go here. You can watch me shred some Apex. I will put my official links here. I have my TikTok, my Instagram, my YouTube. I'm missing my Twitter, but we'll put that there. And you guys go support. You guys go support. Alright, guys, I'm going to head out for the rest of the day. You guys have a good one. And I will see you guys tomorrow or on the Discord. Appreciate all you guys watching.